And I remember my other question. So
Yay!
My other question is something that you may have even seen happening now. What I've noticed is that I have a loud voice. Whose job is it to deal with that in the recording studio? Is that the job of the actor to figure out how to not destroy the microphone, or is that completely on the other side of the glass?
It's both.
Yes and no.
Yeah, it's both. The engineer has to handle what they call the gain. He has to, if you're doing something like screaming, as we did a lot of in the Transformers, because there was so much battle scenes and stuff like that. He controls the gain so that he pulls it back so that you don't blow out go into the red. But you also need to know that you need to pull back a bit when you're doing something like that so you don't blow his hat off. So it's really both of us, both people are working the same thing, right?
Although Welker, just to break the ice between takes, would make noises like the console was arcing, and all of the engineers dove for to figure it out.
Yeah.
Oh, hilarious.
And plus, he did feedback, and he'd be looking around with everybody else. You know, it was like we had a lot of fun in those sessions.
Yes, we did.
That man sounds evil.
He's on our side.
Yeah, he is.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.